In this tutorial, I am going to show you how quickly make stunning shadow effects for any kind of text inside Photoshop. Let's get started. First, create a new document and type your text. Then, duplicate the layer and add a color overlay to the text. After that, rasterize the layer. Now go to Filter, Blur Gallery, find Path Blur. Uncheck the center blur and adjust other parameters according to your text size and length. Once you are done, click OK and boom. There is a stunning shadow effect. If you enjoy the video, subscribe for more. Don't forget to like and share.